Good day, grade 7. Today we're going to study about integers, number line, increasing order, decreasing order, addition and subtraction of negative numbers, multiplication of negative numbers, and division of negative numbers. Before we begin to our topic for today, let's have a review about rational numbers. In rational numbers, we have integers and fractions. When we say fractions, these are the numbers that has denominator and numerator like 1/2, 1/4, 3/4, and so on. In integers, we have whole numbers and negative integers. Integers are like counting numbers, but they also includes negative numbers, but still no fractions allowed. Negative integers, these are the numbers that less than 0. In whole numbers, we have the positive integers and 0, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So we're going to focus to negative integers. Let's define negative numbers using a number line. Given a number line, as you can see, we have points and we have 0 or the origin. In the right side of the origin or 0, we have the positive numbers. Like for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. In the left side of 0 or the numbers less than 0 are the negative numbers like -1, -2, and so on. In point A, the value of point A is -8, point B is equal to -2, point C is 0, point D is 2, and point E is equal to 7. In number line, a number which is on the left of another number is less than that number. Example, we have number 9. Number 9, the left side number of number 9 is 8. Therefore, 8 is less than 9. We use this symbol for less than. Example, -2. -2 is less than -1. Next, let's have the more than. A number which is on the right of another number is more than that number. Example, we have 1. The right side or the right of another number which is number 1 is 2. Therefore, 2 is more than 1. We use this symbol for more than. Example, -1 is more than -2. Let's have the absolute value, or we use this symbol. In absolute value, like for example, we have the absolute value of -2 is +2. The absolute value of -5 is +5. The absolute value of -8 is +8 or 8. Now let's have the increasing order. When we say increasing order, it is the arrangement of numbers from smallest to largest, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Given, we have 5, -3, 2, 4, and 6. As you can see, the smallest number is -3. Next, the largest number is 6. Therefore, the answer is -3, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Next, given, we have 1, -1, -2, 2, and 0. The smallest number is -2 and the largest number is positive 2. Therefore, the answers are negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Let's have the decreasing order. When we say decreasing order, this is the arrangement of numbers from largest to smallest, like 3, 2, and 1. Given, we have 21, 42, 23, 34, and 25. The largest number is 42, and the smallest number is 21. Therefore, the answers are 42, 34, 25, 23, and 21. Largest to smallest. Next, we have 1, negative 2, 23, negative 4, and 25. The largest number is 25, and the smallest number is negative 4. Therefore, the answer is 25, 23, 1, negative 2, and negative 4. Largest to smallest. Let's have the addition and subtraction of negative numbers. Let's have first the addition. In addition, if they have unlike sign, we're going to subtract or minus. Example, we have positive 5 plus negative 2. Since they have unlike sign, we're going to subtract. 5 minus negative 2 or 2 is equal to positive 3. It is positive because we're going to follow the sign of the largest number. Since 5 is the largest number and the sign of 5 is positive, therefore the answer is positive 3. Next, number 2. We have negative 7 plus positive 5. They have unlike sign, so we're going to subtract. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, and it is negative since the largest number is 7 and the sign of 7 is negative. Therefore, the answer is negative 2. Next, negative 10 plus negative 2. As you can see, they have the same sign, so we're going to add. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, and follow the sign of the largest number, which is 10. So the answer is negative 12. Now let's have the subtraction. So 5 minus 2, the rule in subtraction, copy the first term, then change the operation into addition and change the sign of the second number. So copy 5, change subtraction into addition, and change the sign of the second number. Since it is negative 2, change into positive 2. Then back to the rule of addition. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Next, number 2, we have negative 7 minus negative 5. Copy the first number, which is negative 7 plus, change the sign of positive 5 into negative 5. So negative 7 plus negative 5, since they have same sign, we're going to add. Negative 7 plus negative 5, the answer is negative 12. Next, number 3, negative 10 minus negative 2. Copy the first number, which is negative 10. Change the operation, subtraction to addition, then change the sign of the second number. So we have positive 2, negative 10 plus 2. Since they have unlike sign, we're going to subtract. Then minus 2 is equal to 8, and it is negative since the largest number is 10 and the sign of 10 is negative. So the answer is negative 8. Now let's have the multiplication of negative numbers. Remember, in multiplication, positive multiplied by positive is positive. Negative multiplied by negative is positive, and positive multiplied by negative is negative, and negative multiplied by positive is negative. In short, if they have like sign, the answer is positive. If they have unlike sign, the answer is always negative. Example, we have positive 5 multiplied by positive 6. 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. Since positive multiplied by positive is positive. Next, negative 4 multiplied by negative 7. 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. Then the sign is positive because negative multiplied by negative is positive. So the answer is positive 28. Next, let's have this one. We have positive 12 multiplied by negative 3. As you can see, they have unlike sign. So 12 multiplied by 3 is 36 and the sign is negative. So the answer is negative 36. Next, let's have this one. Negative 20 multiplied by positive 2. Again, they have unlike sign. So the answer is negative. 20 multiplied by 2 is 40, and it is negative since they have unlike sign. Negative 20 multiplied by 2 is equal to negative 40. The division of negative numbers. In division, same rule in multiplication. Positive divided by positive is positive. Negative divided by negative is positive. Positive divided by negative is negative, and negative divided by positive is negative. Example, we have 10 divided by positive 5 is equal to 2. Next, negative 25 divided by negative 5. As you can see, they have the same sign, so the answer is positive, and 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Next, 81 divided by negative 9. They don't have the same sign, so the answer is negative. 81 divided by negative 9 is equal to negative 9. Next, negative 20 divided by 4. They don't have the same sign, so the answer is negative. 20 divided by 4 is 5. The final answer is negative 5.